Hey YouTube, and I'm back finally. It's been forever I have uploaded. Anywho, but today I'll be reviewing Seven Heavens. I forgot. No. Seven Heavens Photogenic Chubby Lip Crayons, and they come in 26 shades, out of which I have 7. This video is in association with Beans and Us. These lip crayons are priced at $250 each, and I think I'm the very first Indian YouTuber to review this product. So I would say thank you Beans and Us for giving me this opportunity. And these lip crayons are available on Beans and Us, which is an Instagram store. They are also available on Flipkart and Amazon. The links will be in the description box, so make sure that you check them. Before I get into the main content of this video, there's a small note at the end of the video, so make sure that Dreamers fans, especially for Dreamers fans, and new members will be added to this family. I won't talk about it right now, but then it's a small note, and that's what I felt in past 2 months. I'm really very excited for this review. So let's jump into the lip swatches and then talk about its packaging, pros and cons. So I have nothing on my lips, and the very first shade is 501 Rich Mocha. The color is very pigmented and the texture is very buttery. This shade is 510 and it is 2-ton tomato. So next shade is 514 and it's green. I have never used such a pretty violet color. This is shade number 512, Broad Glamour, and it's a true red. As you can see, they flip a bit and they are easy to use. And here goes the last shade, which is 516 Plum. You can also make these lip crayons look matte. You just need a tissue paper. Let's use one. Just that. All 7 shades, and don't forget to mention which was your favorite shade in the comment section below. Let's talk about its packaging. So its packaging is like a lip crayon, and it comes with a cap which is not that firm. You literally have to press it tightly so that when you carry this thing in your bag, the cap just come off. So you have to be careful with its cap. This crayon is retractable, so that's the first thing. You don't need a sharpener. Whenever you use a sharpener, you waste your product. So most of the times we look for retractable packaging. The product says it's 7 Heavens Photogenic Chubby Lip Crayon. It's hydrating, moisturizing lip crayon. It comes with shade number and shade name. It weighs around 3 grams. That's a good quantity for 250 rupees. It's made in Taiwan. And product life is 3 years. That's all is written on this product. So there's no ingredient list, like what all things are used to make this product. Now the packaging of this product resembles to Revlon and Clinique. The details will be over here. And there's one more high-end brand that's called as Tarte. So that's all about its packaging. Now let's talk about its pros. Very first thing, it is great value for money. It is priced at rupees 250, which is just 1/3 of Clinique and Revlon. Right from its packaging, its pigmentation, so everything you get in this product, in this small baby here, and that for 250 rupees. So it's value for money, I think. So not just value for money, it's a steal. Thumbs up. It's very hydrating and moisturizing. It will give you a satin finish for people with dry lips out there. So these lip crayons last for 3 to 4 hours and they will survive your snacks but not meats. They will surely fade off because they are not transparent. But the plus point is they'll leave a tint behind which will look like a lip balm. It is as good as tinted balms if you apply it light-handed. These lip crayons are available in 26 shades and I think that's too much because each and every skin tone will get a lot of variety. So again, yeah. Now let's talk about the negative side of this product. I would like, no, because its fragrance is like a cough syrup. Like, I know it sounds funny, but I don't. Like, but yeah, if your person smells or just sniffs everything before application, so this product will be problematic. One more thing, this product do transfer. Like, yeah, it transfers. So again, one more problem with this product is its availability. This product is available on Instagram store named as Listeners, and obviously there are many more Instagram stores. You are a matte person or a very glossy person, this product is not for you. And that's it with the cons. I think the pros will take over the negative part, and my take on this product is a complete yay. I think it's a steal for 250 rupees that you get a product which completely resembles to a high-end brand like Clinique and Tarte. So I hope this product review was quite helpful to you all, and I tried to cover each and every point. As I said at the start, there's a small thank you to my all viewers and also who are new to my channel. It's been 7 months I started with my channel, out of which I was just 3 months active on my channel. I've taken almost 3 months again because I've taken 2 months gap in between my 2 uploads, so that was a huge gap. And but still, few people out there had faith in me that I'll be back with something or the else. And yes, I'm back with reviews. Soon I'll be collabing, and I'm really happy. I really feel blessed that I have got such a nice family of viewers. This is what I wanted to say to you people. I'm really thankful. Like, I'm really thankful. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. The link will be in the description box. Thank you so much. Keep supporting, keep watching, and as I always say, keep dreaming. Bye bye. Okay. So, birds,